Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make shape transparent in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now here we just need to insert a shape first. So look at the ribbon at the top and here you'll find all these tabs. Simply click on the insert tab and here you'll find shapes. Click on this drop down arrow and then we just need to simply choose a shape from here. So let us choose this one. This partial circle. You also have this chord. Now let's choose the partial circle. And then let's just drag this cursor to draw the shape. And that's it. Now, how can we make this transparent? So all we have to do, we just need to simply click on the shape in order to find this option shape format. If you're not going to click the shape, you won't find the tab shape format. So click on that and you'll find shape format. Click on that. Then here you'll find shape styles and you will find this one, this quick styles. Click on this quick styles button and you will find presets, this one. So these are all the uh, styles to make your shape transparent. You have here transparent black, transparent dark teal, transparent orange, transparent dark green. So it's up to you. You all have these options from here to choose as to what type of transparent would you like to put into your or apply into your shape. So let's choose this one, transparent. This one, transparent colored outline, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.